Hello friends, and welcome to a review of the Glen Mini Chopper 4043. This is a small little gadget to perform your daily need of chopping small quantity of onions, garlic, nuts or whipping eggs, churning butter, etc. quickly. This mini chopper reduces your preparation and pre-cooking time by a considerable amount. This small and compact looking chopper fits into even a small drawer or shelf in your kitchen. But mind you, don't get taken away by its size alone. It has a capacity of 400 ml. The Unbreakable Bowl is made of food-grade polycarbonate. You can watch the process through the transparent bowl and stop the chopper once the required consistency is achieved. It comes with an easy-to-use push-start button that makes it very convenient to use. The non-slip ring at the bottom is specially designed to ensure that the chopper sits steady while you're using it. The mini chopper comes with a uniquely designed rust-resistant stainless steel blades for better functioning and longer life. The blades are powered by a 200-watt motor. This allows you to easily chop onions, tomatoes, leafy vegetables, mashed bananas, and even chop nuts and other food ingredients with ease. Additionally, you also get a whisking disc that makes whisking eggs or cream very easy. It has a gear system to reduce the RPM so that the food gets processed and not pulverized to give you that real taste of chopping by hand. To sum up, this is a great companion for your kitchen. It saves a lot of time and effort in pre-cooking. It's compact, handy and yet powerful. The additional whisking discs add immense utility. Glen Mini Chopper 4043 comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.